In this video, we will discuss the differences between the current Enterprise Browser User Guide, part number 935-098, and the actual parameters found in the Enterprise Browser.xml configuration file. We will also walk through how to correctly interpret and align these settings in your deployment. Enterprise Browser by Zebra is a powerful web-based application framework that allows developers to build enterprise-grade applications for mobile devices. It uses a configuration file called enterprisebrowser.xml to define runtime behaviors, device settings, and application features. However, in some cases, the documentation in the user guide may not fully reflect the latest parameter structure or descriptions. To configure the Enterprise Browser display settings on a Honeywell device, first navigate to Settings, then select Honeywell Settings, and open Provisioning Mode. Turn on Provisioning Mode to allow configuration changes. Next, open the Power Tools application and access ezconfig. Once inside ezconfig, tap the three-line menu icon in the upper left corner and select Generator. A new window will open displaying the available ezconfig files. From the list, select the file named Enterprise Browser, which will open the configuration menu where the display settings can be modified. Within the Enterprise Browser configuration menu, expand Appearance and locate pref_key_full_screen_mode. This setting controls the visibility of the status and button bars. When set to false, the status and button bars remain visible and are not controlled by the system_bar_remove_mode parameter, which is the default setting. When set to true, the visibility of the status and button bars can be controlled through the system_bar_remove_mode parameter. Always save and click Update Configure on the three dots in the up right corner. After configuring the full screen mode, locate pref_key_system_bar_remove_mode, which determines which Android system bars are removed from the display. A value of 0 leaves all bars visible. A value of 1 removes the Android navigation bar, which contains the back, home, and recent apps buttons. This is the default setting. A value of 2 removes the Android status bar located at the top of the screen, where notification and status icons are displayed. A value of 3 removes both the Android status bar and the Android navigation bar. Next, locate pref_key_appearance_bar_mode, which controls the behavior of the Enterprise Browser action bar. Setting the value to 0 keeps the action bar visible at all times, which is the default behavior. Setting the value to 1 hides the action bar and prevents the operator from making it visible again. Setting the value to 2 hides the action bar by default but allows the user to show or hide it by swiping the action bar icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. Locate pref_key_user_agent_string, which provides an open text field where a custom user agent string can be entered as needed. Then locate pref_key_appearance_desktop_view, which controls whether websites are displayed in desktop mode. When set to false, desktop view is disabled, which is the default setting. When set to true, web pages can be viewed in desktop mode. Continue to pref_key_appearance_auto_fit_pages, which controls automatic page scaling. When set to false, web pages do not automatically scale to fit the width of the display screen. When set to true, web pages automatically scale to fit the screen width, which is the default setting. Then locate pref_key_menu_settings_option_enable, which controls access to settings options for non-admin users. When set to false, the settings options are disabled for non-admin users, which is the default setting. When set to true, non-admin users are allowed to access the settings options. Finally, locate pref_settings_pw, which provides an open text field where a password can be entered. This setting is used in conjunction with appearance pref_key_menu_settings_option_enable to control access to the settings menu. For additional guidance, configuration examples, and screenshots of these settings, please refer to the attached document, Honeywell EB'de display style settings.pdf. Let's see how to locate this file step by step. Go to Honeywell IA Support Portal. In the search window, type keywords like UI setup in EB'de for Android. Identify the resource article in the list. Open the resource article. Go to the File section. Download the .pdf file. Thank you for watching.